How do you feel about the state of Jamaica after 63 years of independence?
Well, it come a far way. Things is getting there. Only hope Andrew Williams do a good job this time. I going to win again.
You think he's going to win again?
I win again.
Okay, we'll sit down, we'll tell you any day now, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, the progress is very slow, but I think everything takes time.
All right. So you're pleased, relatively pleased.
Relatively, yes.
Okay.
I'm very proud to be a Jamaican. You know what it is? I told my husband the other day, I said, if I should die, make sure that I come back alive. And when I come back, I must come back Jamaican.
I'm a little disappointed in terms of the health, the hospitals.
The healthcare.
People are on chairs waiting to be, served medically. So I'm disappointed with that. In terms of education, I'm impressed. I see progress there, and that's my field, education.
Right. Are you happy with the progress the country has made over 63 years?
Well, that no, man, so I'm happy with it because we can do better.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Oh, I am so proud of Jamaica and where we have come from, because we all know it has been struggles, but now we're focused on the triumph, the joy of overcoming. So very proud to be Jamaican, very proud of what we have accomplished.
To just love on each other and respect each other, and we're supposed to come together in all good and bad times. Don't be quick to tear down your little brothers and sisters because you're at a higher level.
Okay.
I would say don't turn your back on Jamaica. Invest even a little Western Union every now and again to help out your family members. Makes a difference, but don't turn your back.
Why is Jamaicans, why we can't unite? Unite. Stop all the fussing and let's live for pride.
Happy Independence, Jamaica!